The photo that you see on your screens currently is the latest CCTV footage and photo of the accused Umar. According to information, this photo was taken from a CCTV footage from a mosque near the Ram Leela Maidan, which is very near the blast site. So Arzu, this is a fresh CCTV footage where we have obtained a photo of the prime suspect Umar, and this is from a mosque which was near Ram Leela Maidan.
Well, definitely, one more picture has come, come to fore of Umar, who was the, prime accused and who was involved in the Delhi blast, who was driving that Hyundai i20 car. And in fact, now this footage and the photo is from the Ram Leela Maidan, which is just near the Red Fort. And this was from the mosque, which is near the Ram Leela Maidan. And it shows that, he was there in Delhi. He was taking rounds around. In fact, what has come to fore that he also visited Red Fort before. He has taken the round of the Red Fort earlier also. So definitely he also visited the Ram Leela Maidan to see around, or to whether he was taking clues, or what was the reason behind. So there are a lot of investigation that is going right now, as there are a lot of CCTV cameras all around the city is being searched now to ensure to get the movement of the Umar, where he was going, whom he was meeting, where he went in the previous month. So definitely all the CCTV cameras are being checked in the city so that every clue, every evidence can be gathered to find out, that can help in the investigation to find out the reason and the people involved in this.
Absolutely, Arzu. Please do stay on with us. The investigative agencies are trying to trace what had happened just before the blast, and hence all these CCTV footage and photographs are being tracked.